If you're trying to reset your HP laptop back to factory settings, whether you're preparing to sell it or just want to start fresh, the process is actually simpler than most people think. You just need to follow a few steps and your laptop will be back to a clean, like new state. Begin by right-clicking the Start menu and selecting Settings from the list. When the Settings window opens, go into the System section. Scroll down until you find Recovery, then click on it. This is where all the reset and repair options are located. Now look for the Reset PC button under the Reset This PC section. Go ahead and click it. At this point, Windows will ask you what type of reset you want to do. If you choose the Keep My Files option, your personal photos, documents, and any saved files will remain, but all apps and system settings will be removed. This is a good choice if you want a fresh start without losing anything important. If you want a full wipe, basically putting the laptop back to the state it was in the first time you turned it on, choose Remove Everything. This option erases your files, installed programs, and all custom settings, giving you a completely clean system. Next, you'll be asked how you want to reinstall Windows. If you're connected to the internet, the cloud download option is often the best choice because it pulls down the latest Windows version. If you're offline or want a faster reset using the files already on the computer, then choose local reinstall instead. After confirming your choices, the laptop will start preparing the reset. You'll see a few progress screens as Windows sets everything up. The whole process can take anywhere from 20 minutes to about an hour, depending on your hardware and the options you picked. Once it finishes, your HP laptop will restart and load up just like it did when it was brand new, ready for a fresh setup.